Hey, what's up, everyone? Today, I'm diving into something super cool that's changing the way factories work: industrial IoT, or the Industrial Internet of Things. Now, you might be thinking, what even is that? So, let's break it down. Industrial IoT is basically like the internet for machines. Imagine all those massive machines in a factory. Now, picture them all connected to the internet, talking to each other, sharing data, and making decisions. That's industrial IoT in a nutshell. Here's how it works. Sensors are attached to machines, gathering data on everything from temperature to vibration. This data is then sent to a central system where it's analyzed. If something's off, the system can trigger an alert or even shut down a machine to prevent a bigger problem. But it's not just about avoiding disasters. Industrial IoT can also make factories super efficient. For example, machines can predict when they need maintenance, so there's less downtime. They can also optimize energy use, saving money and reducing environmental impact. One of the coolest things is how smart these systems can get. With machine learning, they can identify patterns and make even better decisions over time. So it's like having a super intelligent manager who never sleeps. And it's not just about the machines. Workers benefit too. With wearable tech, they can receive real-time updates and safety alerts, making their jobs safer and more efficient. So, why should you care about industrial IoT? For one, it's a booming field with tons of career opportunities. Engineers, data scientists, and IT specialists are in high demand. Plus, it's shaping the future of manufacturing, making it more innovative and sustainable. To sum it up, industrial IoT is revolutionizing factories by making them smarter, safer, and more efficient. Whether you're into tech, engineering, or just curious about the future, it's definitely something to keep an eye on. All right, that's it for today. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.